Create your own colouring books and sell them. Colouring books for adults and children are in huge demand during lockdown. Selling your own drawings for others to colour can be a wonderful and profitable business, and we explain how to do it in this video. There are a few ways you can make money doing this. 1. Create and sell your own unique colouring books for adults or children, or 2. Sell your sketches to others, either privately or in the form of private label rights content. Not everybody can sketch black and white pictures that others like to colour in. But we can all buy inexpensive PLR colouring book content, change it to make it unique and sell it as our own. Older children need more detailed pictures and backgrounds, while adults and children over the age of 10 years often enjoy colouring complex pictures with lots of detail. Probably 20 different drawings are enough for a children's colouring book. You can now create it as a book on Amazon KDP or as a PDF document. Or you can sell paper copies using an online on-demand printing service. You'll be able to purchase a sample of copies to check your book is printing as you expected. And the books will be printed only when someone orders them, so you won't have huge amounts of money to pay out, nor big piles of books to store. If you want, you can of course get a number of your books printed at a local printer in the traditional way, and you then store them while selling locally or online.